Welcome to the official YouTube channel of iMostic Circuits. Please visit our official website www.imostic.in for online purchases and all documentation. In this video, we shall look at Fusion Board version 1 complete hardware. We shall talk about the microcontroller and the FPGA segment of the board. However, for the detailed documentation of each and every module available in the hardware system, go through the Fusion Board user guide. The user guide link is added in the description of the video. The PCB can be divided into two segments, one for the microcontroller and one for the FPGA. This is the microcontroller segment. This segment is quite identical to Arduino UNO version 3, but there are differences. To start with, our board houses Atmega 328PB, while Arduino UNO has Atmega 328P. So we have few extra ports which are dragged to this header. This is J02, the header that enables communication between the microcontroller and the FPGA. Rest are all female headers, identical in functionality and position to Arduino UNO version 3. This is the ADC header, this is for power, this is port D, and this is port B and other lines. J02 is 2-column 16-row header. Each of the 16 rows on J02 is one channel between the microcontroller and the FPGA. One must set up microcontroller and FPGA communication through this header only, because the microcontroller, or we can call it MCU, is running in 5V and the FPGA IO lines in 3.3V. So we have set up a voltage divider circuit around J02 for electrical compatibility. This is the FPGA segment. It has Spartan XC3A's 50A as FPGA. This header is complete plug-in compatible with OV7670 camera module. Check out our Verilog code and provide a demo video to understand the interfacing. This is a 4-way switch connected directly to the FPGA. These are the two tech switches provided. This area contains one ADC, one DAC and their corresponding circuit and header. Though we have used a SPI 8-bit ADC running at maximum 50 kilosamples per second, the footprint is completely compatible to 10-bit and 12-bit 1MSPS ADC from Texas Instruments. The DAC is a I2C 12-bit 400 kHz IC, but it also can be operated at 3.4 MHz at best using some configurations. The FPGA can directly drive the HDMI port with proper coding, mostly useful in conjunction with the camera for online streaming of the camera feed. This USB channel is for programming the FPGA using select serial protocol. Remember to keep the toggle switch towards proc for using the serial programming. When set to communication mode, the FPGA can send or receive data using the same USB port. And of course, if you have JTAG module, using the JTAG header, you can program the FPGA directly. This is the FPGA reset switch, and these are 4 LEDs connected to the FPGA to be used as indicators. At the microcontroller side as well, we have 3 user LEDs apart from the power and 2 USB LEDs. On the bottom surface, we have several voltage regulator ICs. Check our user guide to understand the use of each regulator. Apart from that, we have 2 memory ICs. This is a 512 KB memory for storing up to 8 FPGA codes on the board. This is a 4 MB user memory which can be used as RAM as well as ROM for different user-specific designs. For power supply, we have provided 2 options. The MCU side USB can supply current up to 500 mA, which is enough to run the board in all normal conditions. For up to 1 ampere supply requirement, connect 1 ampere 9 to 12 volt power source through this barrel jack. They are designed with proper interlocking. Whenever supply connected from barrel jack, USB supply lines are automatically blocked. So this is a brief overview of the board. For detailed understanding, please download our Fusion version 1 user manual. So thanks for watching. See you in our other videos.